So I kind of want to do a little bit of a training video here, kind of show you guys how I play some of these intraday bounces, scalping options. So as of right now, I am currently sitting in 5 contracts of the SPY. My strike price is 451. I took 5 contracts currently, not up that much, only $65, 3%. Nothing too spectacular to get excited about. But basically, what I kind of want to show you on how I'm playing these intraday bounces, so that way maybe you guys can take some of these plays yourself, and you guys can kind of see, what I'm looking at. So obviously, we know right off the bell here, we had a nice push up into this pre-market supply here. A lot of supply here, right around this 453.87. We kind of came up and tagged it, came back down to the 20 and the 200-day moving average on the 5-minute time frame. Then we tried to make a second attempt to push higher here to this 453.60 area, and obviously we know just a little bit above that we have the supply zone here at the pre-market highs. When we could not push through that, and we finally did start getting the close below the 200-day moving average, we began to get this washout here. So what I'm looking for on some of these intraday reversals, on some of these bounce plays, is I'm looking for consolidation. I'm looking for the stock to be trading sideways. I do not want to see any new lower lows being put in. I would like to see at least 20-30 minutes worth of sideways action. And as we start to push higher, what I'm looking for is a change in trend. So I'm looking for the close over the 20-period moving average, and then I'm looking to get long on that reclaim of the 20 SMA. Obviously, I do have supply sitting here at the 200-day moving average, which is $452, but I kind of just want to give you guys the setup. Now, currently only up $70 on 5 contracts is not much, but it's obviously depending on, what you're really looking at. I mean, I entered here 10 minutes ago at 9:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So as we started to confirm this close over the 20, I got long here, and we're only 10 minutes later, and you made a cool 70, $60, right? So if you're talking about, $60 an hour, this is $60 in a matter of 10 minutes. Very, very good money. Now, obviously, this could, reject here as it comes into supply, could come all the way down here below my entry and kind of just stop me out. Any stop loss that I'm going to use is going to be another close below the 20. That's going to tell me that this move has failed here. But if the SPY can get back over the 452 area, maybe it's got a little bit more room to stretch. So I'll kind of just give it a little bit of leash here. I am up pretty good on the day. Luckily I was sitting in those Tesla calls from Friday, so that really started my day in the green. But just want to give you that kind of clarity here as to how can you play intraday bounces. What does it mean to bounce a stock? How can you participate in a change in trend? Does it look like we're kind of bottoming out here on the 5-minute time frame? Does it look like we're kind of consolidating, and are we getting a break above? Just kind of want to know where your supply levels are, which is a 200, and obviously the pre-market highs, as well as this little double top area here right around that 453. So just kind of keep that in mind, that you do want to be taking profits when you're scalping into those zones. So it doesn't mean that we get long here and we think that we're going to break out. It doesn't mean that we're going to get long here and think that we're going to just keep continuing to ride higher. No, we want to get long here. We want to be taking profits in this zone, see what we do. Do we reject or do we confirm? And then we want to be taking more profits in this area. And then we want to kind of clean up our position here. Maybe if you do want to leave a runner, if the market does get strong, just leave one runner, see what it does when it gets back into this area. But just kind of want to give you that information. Guys, if you want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you guys all on the next trading video.